Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is 58 months. What's that? Almost 12 times 5 is 6. Almost 5 years out. Results on an Asian guy, a little younger than me, frontal hairline. And so we've talked a fair amount about Asian hair characteristics, and if you look at it, most Asians have fairly straight hair, which makes it easy to either FUE or cut off of a strip. But the downside is most Asians have real black hair and pretty white skin, which gives a color contrast, almost like an Oreo cookie, and it makes it as harder to get good results than if they had a little browner skin, like I have, or like Middle Easterners have. And then this is just a generality. Koreans tend to have fatter hairs than, say, Vietnamese people do. So this guy, we did 2,300 grafts on his frontal hairline. Right around 5 years ago, and like everybody else, he didn't show back up after the weak stitches, and he just called and he wanted another hair transplant, and so he came in and did this little video.
Say no, no, no.
All right, Steve, it's been 5 years, and today that you signed your consent form. Looking back, you shopped with me for 6 years before you got here, and we did 2,247 grafts on you. It's okay if I use your pictures, your face?
Sure.
And you never came back, and you said because we didn't call you, but it's just where's that column, Wendy? What's that column? Are you happy with what I did?
I was happy with it. That's why there wasn't any phone call either.
Yeah.
I was happy with it.
Yeah. And was that pretty upfront with you? Your pre-op pictures are up to the right in this video. And turn around. Let me get the picture of the back of your head. And how old are you, sir?
I'm 50.
So a little younger than me. You got relatively fine Asian hair. Now where's that scar at? It's hard to find. Right there. That's pretty good. Okay, turn back around. Is there anything that you think that people that are researching this ought to know, based on your experience?
I think at first I was really nervous, but after this, seeing the results, I'm more than happy. I recommend anybody that's considering getting hair transplants to definitely do it here. It looks natural. And it's no one can tell that I got it done.
And were we upfront with you? Did we try to hard sell you on anything?
Yeah, you were totally upfront. I made everything clear. It made me feel really comfortable of the whole process and stuff. So
all right, man. Thank you.
That's why I'm back.
All right, thanks. So he looks good. I mean, he was a balding dude 5 years ago, and now he looks unremarkable in the front. He's lost some hair in the middle third of his head, so we may end up doing something for him. But this is a 5-year update on an Asian guy's frontal third. If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.